but you're too overwhelmed with niche picking, what type of digital product to create or how. You've watched endless hours of content on how to create and sell your own digital products. You even took notes. You're so excited to start your own journey. But where are you? You still haven't started because you're overwhelmed, confused, and stuck. I'm here to tell you that you don't need more knowledge. What you need is a roadmap, a step by step, easy to follow guide that takes you from overwhelmed, confused, to done and accomplished. I've spent months creating YouTube videos, trying to grow, trying to stay consistent, and I was for a while, but something felt off. I couldn't quite put my finger on it until I realized this. I'm not solving a specific problem for a specific person. I really thought I was, but in reality, I was just posting and hoping that something would stick, but not anymore. Today, I'm starting over with complete clarity, a bold challenge, and one simple goal: to make my first dollar on YouTube without AdSense and, of course, without sponsorship. And I'm inviting you to do it with me. And the best part is, I'm doing it with one product created in one day for the next 30 days. And let's see how it goes. As I mentioned a few seconds ago, I've been on this platform for a few months, trying to figure out my niche, trying to find my voice, trying to find my true purpose. But after 40 plus videos, I realized something is missing. What I've been doing isn't quite working. I wasn't solving one specific problem. I was not creating content that answers one particular question for a specific person, for my ideal viewer. The funny thing is that I knew all along that I needed to do that, but somehow I didn't know how to do it. You know what? That clarity matters. It makes a huge difference because when you're talking to everyone, you're really talking to no one. I hate saying cliches, but some of them are really true. And here's the thing: I'm not here just to speak to the void, just to create meaningless content. I'm not creating just for me. I want to create something that solves someone's problem. I've been thinking about this for a while, and that's why I decided to finally take courage and take that step and pivot. I have a clear mission. I want to help beginner creators, especially women, start their own digital product journey and learn how to make money on YouTube without AdSense, without sponsorship. When we depend only on AdSense, we're slaves to the algorithm. We're stuck on views and we need more views, we chase virality. I don't know about you, but this isn't for me. I want to be able to help someone. I want to have an impact. I don't want to just create and hope for viral videos. I don't want to go after viral videos just to make a buck or two. But here's the thing: I won't be teaching this from theory. I will be teaching this from doing, from trying, taking action, from showing up here day in, day out, and doing this with you. Yes, we're going to be figuring this thing out together. So here's what I'm going to be doing. For 30 days, one simple digital product and a series of videos where I'm going to show you step by step what I'm doing. Please note, this is my first digital product ever that I create myself. And here's the thing: I'll be pricing my first digital product for $1 only. $1. I thought it'd be fitting, since my challenge is how to make your first dollar on YouTube in 30 days. That's why I chose $1 tag. I put in a lot of effort into this product. I worked for about 4 hours on creating this product. I'll show you exactly how I did that as we go through this challenge. But for now, I want you to know that I priced my product for $1 for a while until I make my first dollar. Once I make my first dollar on YouTube, we'll talk about it. So that's it. One digital product created by me with the help of ChatGPT for $1 for a while. And I'll be doing this for 30 days. Now let's see what's going to happen. As simple as that. Please don't overcomplicate this. Keep it simple. Forget perfectionism. Even though I'm a perfectionist, but I'm fighting with every inch of my existence this perfectionism just to get my product out, my first. Because you know what? That first dollar on YouTube or online makes all the difference. Because it's not about the amount, especially when you start, it's about the feeling that you get. It's the validation that, yes, this works. And it works even for me, not just for those people that I'm watching that have thousands of followers or subscribers. It even works for me. So the first dollar often means more than the next $100 that you're gonna make. That's gonna be your push. This isn't about perfectionism. This is not about launching a business overnight. It's simply about taking your first step, making that first sale, getting that first win. Because the first dollar online is the hardest. But once you do it, once you get that first dollar, you're going to realize that, oh, wait, this works. Maybe I can do it too, just like them. To be completely honest, I've been wanting to do this since I started my YouTube channel, but I always felt like this imposter syndrome, like I'm not good enough to teach others, until I realized that this is something I'm actually passionate about. And I've purchased a few courses teaching me how to, like how to create digital products, how to promote them. So why am I not good enough to teach you beginners who know nothing about this but are interested in it, how to start off your digital product journey? Because you know what? We all start somewhere. We all have to start at point zero. You learn, you apply, you learn some more, you fail, you learn some more. And that's how we become a pro, by doing it over and over and over again, but by doing, not just learning. Of course, it starts with learning, but if you don't do, believe me, you're never going to become a pro. You're never going to advance. If you're already selling digital products, tell us in the comments. How are you doing? How many products are you selling? What was the first product that you started with? You see, here's the thing. I'm on a journey of growth, and I'm teaching myself how to not allow perfectionism stop me, how to do in spite of my perfectionism. And that's what I want for you too. Now, you might not be a perfectionist like me, but if you've been wanting to do this is your time. This is for you. Stick around, watch till the end. Make sure to watch my next videos. Subscribe, because I'll be showing you exactly how to pick a good digital product for your channel, how to create it, how to get the link for it, how to promote it, the whole thing. This is for you if you already have a YouTube channel and want to sell digital products, but you're too overwhelmed with niche picking, what type of digital product to create or how. And you've been sitting on your ideas for too long. You're scared to start because you don't want to mess it up. You don't feel good enough or ready. This is for you. Even if you're a man and feel like joining along, you're welcome. Maybe you've been watching everyone else build their dream while you're still stuck overthinking everything. So we're not overthinking anymore. We are going to be building together, step by step, while keeping it simple. Now I'm going to show you how to choose a digital product that works for your channel, how to create it for free in Canva. Actually, I'll go more into details about the creation process in my next video, so make sure to watch. So if you already have a channel and a niche, think about one question that your audience keeps asking you about in the comments or in emails. What's one small, simple, helpful tool that you can provide them with? Because what you want to do is create a product that's going to solve a specific problem for your audience or answer one specific question that they have. Listen, it doesn't have to be fancy and it shouldn't be complicated. Keep it simple. It just has to answer one specific question or solve one specific problem. It just needs to be useful. And of course, it needs to be done. If you don't have any shit, don't worry about it. Go to your channel, find your most viewed video or videos, and figure out what problem did you solve in that video? What question did you answer in that video? Let me give you an example. Let's say you have a vlog, and as a part of your vlog, one day you created this video that shows the viewer how to bake a gluten-free cake that still tastes delicious and has a good texture. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go and create a digital product. It's a recipe where you show them step by step the ingredients, how to make and bake that gluten-free cake. Now, if you're feeling generous and you want to even add more value to your product, you can go ahead and create a checklist that goes along with the recipe of the ingredients that they need to buy before they bake their cake. But remember, keep it simple and useful. If you complicate it and overthink too much, you'll never get it done. Don't fall for this. I've been struggling with this for over a year and a half. Don't do the same as me. Now that you've decided what product you want to create, go ahead and go to canva.com. I'll leave the link in the description. Don't worry, I'm not getting paid by Canva, but I love it so much. I've been using it, and you can easily use the free version. I have the pro version, the paid version. That's okay to me. It's worth every penny. But if you're just starting off, go on the free version and see, play around, learn it, use it. Once you've created your free account, you're gonna go and pick the template you want. So you can pick a checklist, you can pick a planner, a recipe, whatever it is that you decide to do. You're gonna find the template, for it in Canva. Make sure to pick a free template without the crown. Whatever has a crown on it means that it's the pro version, the paid version. So stick to the ones without the crown. Customize it to your taste, whether it's colors, fonts, even layout. Add or remove elements. Once you're done with the template, you review it, you make sure it's nice to your liking. Click on export as a PDF. Save your PDF. There you go, you're all done. Congratulations, you've just created your first simple, easy digital product. As I mentioned earlier, in my next video, I'll be going step by step, showing you how to create your digital product. So make sure to watch my next video. If you decide to join this challenge, don't forget to drop a comment below and say, I'm in, so that I know how many of us will be doing it at the same time. Listen, I'm not an expert. Not yet. I'm just a woman who decided to stop sitting in her potential and finally took courage to create my first digital product ever, and I'm so excited about it. And that's why I decided to document everything, sharing all the details with you so that you can hopefully do it with me. So we can learn and grow together and encourage each other. With all the fear, the doubts, the messy thoughts, the overthinking, I've decided to put that aside and go ahead and start. And you can do it too, only if you want to. Let's build together. Let's grow together. Let's stop waiting. This is Christy. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for following me on my journey that's just about to begin. And I'll see you on the next one.